Oh, what fresh hell is... Hello there. I'm Queen Gertrude of Denmark, a loyal subject to the crown. Some of my very favourite things in life are red. Red lipstick, red velvet, rubies, sunsets. Like me, sunset ale is rich and complex with toffee flavours. It really does taste like toffee. Two Birds is Australia's first female-owned brewery. How are women so bloody good at everything? Oh. Somebody send Jane a bunch of flowers or, I don't know, some rubies. No, I'm not talking to him. No, I don't care. Put him through to the king or something. Oh, that's amazing.